Before we begin, let me start by saying this. If you ever picked up your pens and they were uneven, this is a video for you. So let's begin. This is a pants that we already pinned on the customer, and we're gonna do an invisible hemming on this one. And you can see that there are these lines, what we call them balance, and they are to measure how different the two legs are. So many people like myself have a different arms length or different legs length. So for that we mark them 12 inches from the ground. So basically how it works is we'll put a ruler from the ground and mark it 12 inches. So that's our balance. So the way it works is we first mark where the hem is gonna be, put the pins up, then when you put these two lines together, you will see that this person have an inch difference in his legs. So what we're going to do is first we mark where we mark the length, and then with a ruler this is where it's going to be finished. Then we cut it 1 3/4 inches. This is up to you how much you want to cut it, but it usually is 1 3/4 or 2 inches. More than that, it's going to be a little bit difficult to sew it. Then you cut it. Now you can turn the pants inside out and then insert it. This is the easiest way to do this, and it is because when you turn the pants inside out, you have a full control over the length and how to move the fabric, and it makes it so much easier. Now we know where to start. We have all the marks that we need. So start on a mark, fold it. You don't need a pin, you don't need the safety pin, just fold it when you need it to fold. And then safely remove your pedal. If you learned anything new from this video, please like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, and see you in the next one.